Hello pen pals, I've brought out the white gloves to handle some seriously expensive pens. In this video, I unbox $33,000 worth of pens. Say a little prayer for me that I don't accidentally drop one of these Namiki Yukari 7 Gods fountain pens. In 2018, Pilot Japan celebrated its 100th anniversary of manufacturing world-class writing instruments. To commemorate the centennial, Pilot commissioned a collection of limited edition Maki-e pens under the Namiki brand. Japanese artisans trained in this centuries-old art form worked for years leading up to this Pilot anniversary to complete these pens. The result was nothing short of spectacular. To bring themselves good luck for the next 100 years, Pilot themed this limited edition after the 7 Gods of Good Fortune. We were lucky to receive one of the 25 sets of 7 Gods made worldwide. It sold quickly to one of our close customers before we had a chance to make a video for it. Earlier this year, Pilot introduced the 7 Gods individually in the Yukari model with the companion Iroshizuku ink. These pens are limited to 150 pieces each and are the topic of this video. Each of these gods is individually packaged in a wooden box with a leather pen case and the 50 milliliter bottle of ink. We'll flip open a page here. So we have all of the 7 Gods listed here individually on the fold-out. Okay. I'll take apart this here. That's of the Meiji Maru ship. I believe that was part of one of the Pilot limited editions that came out last year. And then there's also Mount Fuji at the top there. Certificate of the Maki-e craftsman that produced this pen, as well as a description of the particular god of good fortune that this represents. The Inden Handicrafts refers to the pen pouch that comes with this. So it's made out of deer skin, and then you have a use and care guide. And then you have a polishing cloth. So let's take a look here. Ooh, that is nice. That is very nice. So, there was the aforementioned pen case. You have the pen here. This is the Yukari size, and it's in a plastic wrapper. And then you'll also have the Iroshizuku ink that is the companion of the pen. I have a little door that's here. Peekaboo. And what do we got here? Oh, that is cool. We got the little package of 6 Pilot Namiki fountain pen cartridges in a magnetized lid, little sarcophagus. And we also have the edition number, which this is number 63 of 150 units made worldwide of this design. So take a look at the pouch here, made out of deerskin leather. Has a cord that wraps around. It opens here. A little pamphlet and just like a little space filler there, but the inside is quite soft. Okay, so now we'll take a look at the pen here. I would not want to disgrace the gods by butchering the pronunciation of their names. According to Japanese mythology, each god grants good luck in a particular area of life and is often related to certain professions. You can find more information about each of these pens on the goldspot.com store. Layers of lacquer decorated with flakes and powder of gold, silver, and colored pigments, as well as thin layers of abalone shell, are hand applied to the pen with painstaking accuracy and artistry. If you so desire to write with this functional piece of art, the Yukari fountain pen has an 18-karat gold nib in medium point only. The nib is an exclusive design dedicated to the 100th anniversary line. The pen fills using Pilot Namiki ink cartridges or with the included Con 70 push-button converter. While the Namiki limited edition 7 Gods won't be around for long, you can find a rich selection of Namiki Maki-e pens on goldspot.com. Since I'm a big fan of space-themed pens, my personal favorite is the Milky Way Rotten fountain pen. Thank you for taking this tour of the finest Japanese handmade pens. Stay inky, my friends. Take care.